What if the right people were already watching you, silently evaluating whether they should join your team, follow your leadership, or ignore your invitation? That's exactly what's happening in today's recruiting landscape. Your personal brand isn't just about visibility, it's about credibility. And the truth is, people don't join companies, they join leaders. Leaders they admire, respect, and trust. So if you're serious about attracting top-tier talent, you need to build a personal brand that's clear, consistent, and compelling. Let's talk about how to do that. First, start with your message. What do you stand for? What values define your leadership? What kind of culture are you building in your agency? Your personal brand starts with clarity. When you consistently talk about growth, impact, mentorship, or resilience, you naturally attract people who are drawn to those things. The key is repetition. People should know what you're about within the first 10 seconds of reading your post or watching your video. Next, show up. Too many leaders are invisible online, but if you're not showing up, your competitors are. Post regularly. Share stories, lessons, and even your reflections as a leader. You don't have to be perfect, you just have to be real. Authenticity builds connection, and connection builds trust. Another important step, show proof. Share advisor success stories. Talk about someone who joined your team and grew beyond what they thought was possible. Highlight transformation. These stories are not about showing off. They're about showing others what's possible when they join a leader who cares and a team that supports. Don't underestimate the power of behind-the-scenes content. A snapshot of your team in a meeting, a quick video after a training session, a reflection after a tough decision. These are the human moments that make your leadership relatable and your brand memorable. And finally, consistency. You don't need to post daily, but you do need to show up regularly with purpose. When people see your message often enough, they'll start to associate you with it. And when they're ready to make a move, they'll think of you first. So here's the bottom line. If you want to attract great people, you don't need to chase. You need to stand out, speak up, and show up as a leader worth following. Your personal brand is already sending a message. It's time to make sure it's the right one. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video to let me know you found it helpful. Subscribe so you don't miss out on future insights. Share this with your colleagues who can benefit from it.